fleet management doesn't fail because of lack of effort. It fails because systems don't enforce rules. So instead of building another tracking app, we build Fleet Flow, a rule-driven fleet operating system. Let me show you how it works. And first, the authentication screen comes in, and basically via the authentication screen, a role-based authentication happens. We support fleet managers, dispatchers, safety officers, financial analysts. Each role sees only what they are responsible for. Dispatchers can after alter financial records, analysts can dispatch vehicles. We enforce operational boundaries from login itself. User have to give their login and password to sign in. They can create a new account by giving the name, email and password. Let me click continue. They can select create organization or join organization. If they select join organization, they have to give the organization invite code to join to that organization. Else if they want to create a new organization, they can input the organization name, unique organization name, and we will create their organization also. Currently I have already an account already created with this email, so let me just log in instead of signing up again. So I have given my email and password. I'm clicking sign in. Currently I am redirect to the main dashboard. This is our legendary dashboard, and we can say it command center dashboard. At a glance, leadership's list, active fleet, available units in maintenance and utilization rates. Everything in one single dashboard. We can filter by vehicle type, region or operational status. We can see a live route tracker where all the trip dispatch we can see in live in the Google Map functionalities and in more detailed analytics. This dashboard is not decorative, it's operational awareness in one single screen. Let's go to vehicle registry. Vehicle registry is like a physical assets. Each vehicle includes model and license plate, basically the unique ID, max load capacity, odometer reading, and operational status. Operational status is a very important thing, and we are managing it dynamically. We can add a vehicle from here, giving the vehicle name, license plate, max capacity, and initial odometer. I'm giving a vehicle name ABCD, license plate AAA, max capacity 1, odometer 1, registering the vehicle. And ABCD, this vehicle is giving me available, and I can make it retire anytime. And currently, if I go to driver profile, I have created a driver profile named this. The license expiry, license type, license expiry, and the status on trip and how much trip he is doing right now. Driver profile is the driver information record basically, but it's more rule based driven. We can add a new driver from here. The full name, license plan, license expiry date will go here, and if I click register driver, a new driver record will come here. And the key is here: if cargo weight exceeds max capacity, trip creation gets blocked. Not warned, direct blocked. Fleet flow prevents overloading before it becomes a safety issue. Trip moves the life cycle states: draft, dispatched, complete, and cancelled. This state logic ensures no asset exists in two places at once. The trip dispatcher screen, we can see if we can create a new trip from here, selecting the vehicle, selecting the driver, cargo weight, giving the cargo weight, and the origin and the destination. So if I have created two test route, 4 5 test route, and two are currently working on. Uh, uh, and I have given one route to Mumbai to Ahmedabad, another is Delhi to Ahmedabad, and cargo everything is 1 kg and 1 kilometer odometer. Okay, two different driver, two different vehicle. If I click on route, I can see the direct route here, fetching from Google Map, Delhi to Ahmedabad, and all the details are giving here. And this is Mumbai to Ahmedabad, another route, Mumbai to Ahmedabad. So we can complete the dispatch from here directly, and if I give 2000 kilometer and complete, the trip will be completed. And we can come here in the vehicle registry, we can see it's become available again. The vehicle test vehicle is available again, which was in dispatch. Alright, let's go to the maintenance and service log screen. The maintenance and service log is a vehicle maintenance log screen where change status in shop if we do a vehicle log in maintenance. So in the vehicle registry, the vehicle gets in shop maintenance status. As you can see, the damaged vehicle we have added a log. Okay, and if we go to vehicle registry and which is in shop, we can make it market available, which will come here directly as available and maintenance as completed. All right. No manual coordination needed. Operational integrity is enforced by complete logic. Let's go to expenses and fuel log. Basically, we are logging fuel and cost analytics after trip completion. We are logging liter, quantity, cost, and date, and computing the total operational cost per vehicle by this module. User can export CSV from here, by which data entry becomes financial intelligence. We can log an expense from this log expense button, selecting the vehicle, expense type, and the cost and liter and date. Let's go to our another very powerful analytics screen. It's an all-in-one analytics screen. As you can see, FleetFlow converts raw data into decision-making metrics via this screen. We calculating total fleet cost, fuel efficiency, cost per kilometer, and total completed trips in the total FleetFlow org. The cost trends it shows in a graphical view, and top coolest vehicles are also shown in a graphical view with their cost, driving license number, and in a graph. Expense composition is also shown in fuel and maintenance in total, and fleet at a glance. As you can see, the vehicle tracked and total kilometer driven, total fuel consumed, fleet flow frequency, and average cost per kilometer also. But this all data are in all of your overall vehicle calculated data, but you can calculate via per vehicle performance also, by vehicle name, total trips, kilometer driven, fuel cost, maintenance cost, total cost, efficiency, and cost per kilometer. And you can export the data via CSV also. In one click, managers can do that for payroll, audit, or financial reviews. This shifts fleet management from reactive logging to proactive optimization. I have already showed you a workflow by creating a vehicle registry from here, and creating a driver profile from here, and doing a trip dispatch, creating a trip and doing a trip dispatch from here, and then making a maintenance log by making in shop of that vehicle. Let me create a trip dispatch. A vehicle I'm selecting a driver, cost. If I give 2 kg, it will exist the maximum limit, so I'm giving 1 kg, and I am giving Kolkata, destination Ahmedabad, creating the trip. As you can see, test vehicle driver Kolkata to Ahmedabad cargo is on queue. I can dispatch it right now, and it will show me route from where to where it will go, from Ahmedabad to Kolkata, West Bengal. And then I can go to command center and see the details from my vehicle registry here. On trip, test vehicle ABCD on trip, and I can also go to driver profile. It's on trip also, Hertz driver on trip. In the second trip, we can't make it off duty. So everything is rule based and tracked and maintained from here. FleetFlow is not just a management tool, it's a rule enforced fleet operating system. As you can see, the organization details are also shown here. You can get your own invitation code to invite all your other employees, accountant, driver, dispatcher, and manager. All the role permissions are different. You can give all the person after adding a individual role permission to access whatever they need it only. We reduce safety risks, we prevent dispatch errors, we surface financial inefficiencies, and most importantly, we stop operational mistakes before they happen. Thank you so much. I hope you liked our product, FleetFlow.